Dear student, welcome to this session. Myself Khalil Ahmed Chikkerur, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SS Government First Grade College, Nargun. In this session, we discuss in detail about the definition of cycles, transposition and its property. So let us start with cycles. Definition. A permutation alpha on a finite set A is said to be a cycle, and it may be called cycle permutation of length k if there exist distinct elements a1, a2 dash dash ak belongs to A such that alpha a1, that is image of alpha 1 is a2, alpha a2 is a3, like this continue. Alpha of A3 is A4 and alpha of AK minus 1 equal to AK, and the last alpha of AK equal to A1. And for any other element other than AI equal to, where I is not equal to 1, 2, 3, K is alpha of AI equal to AI. So permutation start with alpha 1 to alpha K. We denote the permutation by a1, a2 dash dash ak minus 1 comma ak in bracket. In generally in a square matrix a1, a2 dash dash ak minus 1 ak plus 1 ak plus 2 dash dash ak. So a1, and in the second row it is image a1, a2, that is alpha of a1 is a2, alpha of a2 is a3 dash dash ak and a1. So all the elements other than ak, it has same image, that is a of k plus 1 is a of k plus 1, a of k plus 2 is a of k plus 2, ak. Note, it is called cycle because it is a permutation on A which maps the element of some subset of A to each other in a cycle fashion while fixing all other elements. If cycle permutes S element, we say its length is S, or that is an S cycle. Example, the permutation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 1, 5, 4 is not a cycle. For it we take one image is 2, 2, 2, 3, but it does not keep the remaining elements unaltered. That is 3 is 1, but 1 is again 2. 4 is 5, 5 is 4. So this permutation is not a cycle. Examples of some cycle. If alpha is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 is equal to, it can be written as 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. This can be pictured as one image of 1 is 3 and 3 is 5, 5 is again 1. It completes a cycle. So next 2 is image of 2 is 4, here 4 is 6 and 6 is 2. So 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, which can be expressed as product of two permutation or two cycle which do not contains any common element. So second example, alpha is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, which can be expressed as product of two disjoint cycle leaving which are unaltered. For example, 1, 1, 4, 4. If leaving these two, then 3, 5, 5 is 3, 2, 6 and 6 image is 2. Theorem on cycles. Theorem number 1. Every permutation on a finite set can be expressed as a product of disjoint cycles. So example is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 4, 5, 8, 9, 7, 6, 1, 3 is equal to. So 1 takes 2, 2 is 4, 4 is 8, 8 is 1. It become one cycle, 1, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 1, and 3, 5, 5 take 9s and 9 take 3. So 3, 5, 9, 5, 9, 3. It became another disjoint cycle. 6, 7, 6 is 7, 7 is 6. So it gives 3 disjoint cycles. Definition. A cycle of length 2 is called transposition. Remark. First, a transposition permutes 2 elements and leave all other elements unaltered. Second one, a one cycle is the identity permutation because it is supposed to permute one element, leaving all other unaltered. Example, the permutation 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. Its transposition, we can write it as 1, 3 and 3, 1, leaving 2, 2 and 4, 4. So 1, 3 is 2, 6. Theorem. Every cycle can be expressed as the product of transposition in infinitely many ways. You already know that. So for this preparation, these are the references for you. Thank you.